Brisket I've been cooking since 9:30 this morning at 225. I pulled it off at 200 internal temperature. So fixing to cut into it and see how good it is. Jiggles pretty good. So we'll see. I'd like to thank Seals Family Farm for providing me with a brisket that I could purchase from them. They picked me out an awesome brisket. So I'm fixing to see how it cuts and if it is as awesome as I think it's gonna be. I don't know if I'm cutting this real good. You recording? I don't know if I'm cutting this real good or not. So please don't pick on me if I'm cutting it wrong. I just cutting this up. Man, it looks good and juicy. Oh man. Shane with Seals Family Farm. Man, y'all's cattle are awesome. Y'all knocked this sucker out of the park, dude. It looks awesome. Oh yeah. Looks good and tender. Oh yeah. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Good and hot, juicy, tender, tender, tender. Wow, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing.